Well, we've talked a lot recently about cyber hacks, right? Well, the slew of them could cost you your tax refund this year. Since November 2013, there have been at least 5 cases involving the theft of tens of millions of Social Security numbers, precious data for cyber thieves to steal your identity and cash in on your money. And this is the time of the year they do it because it's tax season. So what can you do if your tax refund has been stolen? Joining me now, tax expert Dan Pilla. He's the author of How to Win Your Tax Audit. Dan, thanks for coming on the show. I guess the IRS isn't going to do too much to help you, right? It's tough to actually get the Internal Revenue Service on your side. Let's start with the other side of this proposition, if we could, though. What is the information hackers need to steal your identity and hijack your refund?
Well, the single most important thing, Gerri, of course, is the Social Security number and your name. And of course, when they get information from your bank account or, steal it through the mail, however they get the stuff, they get the critical information they need. Once they got that Social Security number, that's the key into the system to steal whatever they can steal.
So all they really need is your name and your Social Security number, 2 pieces of information.
Yeah, pretty much.
They don't even really have to have your bank account. They can put a P.O. box address on the thing. They can make up virtually everything else on the tax form. Okay, let's get to the meat and potatoes here. So if you're one of these people who are in a situation where you find out that somebody has already applied for your tax refund and got your money, what do you do?
Well, the first thing you need to do, Gerri, is you need to be aware of a document the IRS has, a form called an identity theft affidavit. It's IRS form 14039, and it's an affidavit that allows you to, it's a document that allows you to submit a statement to the IRS that, in which you state that you either believe you have been hacked or had your identity stolen, or that it in fact was stolen. And once you do that, the IRS is going to set up a separate account for you. They're going to give you a separate identification number, not your regular Social Security number. It's a PIN number, exactly right. They're going to give you a separate number that allows you then to file future tax returns under that number until you get your situation straightened out. It's very important that you use that identity theft affidavit, Gerri. If you just start, down some road someplace without doing that, who knows